Students, employees, and professors protested at the National University of San Marcos, the oldest in the Americas, and attempted to block its entrance, after Director Pedro Cotillo refused to leave his post as indicated by the new university law.
The fact that a director with the moral ilk like Cotillo, who is actually the former director of San Marcos, entrenches himself in office, is a sign that the law is effectively in place to change things after years of failures of public universities and in general all Peruvian universities. For example, when they fix themselves in positions of power, they create rings of corruption.
Students involved in the protests responded to the private media that suggested supporters of terrorist groups could be among those who are protesting.
We understand that media, in all instances, always try to delegitimize and devalue public universities. Why? Because they're in a way influenced by this group of private universities, which they want to legitimize more than the public universities. For the media, everything that is public is always bad.
The congressman author of the law also accused private interests of being behind the attempts to prevent the implementation of the university law. This law gives power to a state entity to regulate the quality of the services offered by public and private universities.
Private universities are using these men from public universities as puppets to delay the application of the law. This is called vacatio legis, which means that they want to put the law on vacation while elections come and another president is elected who would want to bring down the law, and the whole world ends up happy.
Meanwhile, the state decreed that no title signed by the 5 directors who are keeping their posts illegally will be valid, and in that manner, thousands of students will be unable to move on with their careers. Rael Mora, Telesur, Peru.